Hi guys, I'm Mitzi Newman with Century 21 Liberty, and I just wanted to talk to you today about the first step in the home buying process. The first step is talking to your lender. If you're not going to be buying a house with cash, then the first thing that you need to do is talk to a lender to see if you can get pre-qualified. The lender is going to ask you a few questions. They're going to ask you about your credit. They're going to ask you about your income. And they're going to ask you about your debt, which is some of your credit. So they're also going to ask for your social security number and permission to pull your credit. Reason being is because they want to see your credit score. So a combination of your credit score, your debt, and your income is what is going to help them decide if they're going to be able to help you with a loan. And they're also going to, based upon some of the questions they ask you, help determine what type of loan you're able to get. There's different types of loans out there. There's VA, which is very predominant in this area because we do have a lot of veterans, which, by the way, thank you all for your service. We all truly appreciate it. But with the VA loan, there's 0% down. Another loan would be USDA loan. They actually were in Hope Mills, and they just recently moved out of Hope Mills. So there is still an outer area of Hope Mills that's eligible, but it's now mostly Hope Mills, Rayford, out past that area. It's the U.S. Department of Agriculture. So it's like farming, rural areas. But that's 0% down. You have to be income eligible though. Another one is FHA, 3.5% down. Conventional, 5% down. These are all things that your lender will go over with you. What type of loan you qualify for, and what type of loan is best suited to you if you qualify for different ones. So when your lender actually talks to you, when your lender talks to you, they're going to ask for income statements, which is your bank statements, your pay stubs, your W-2s, your tax statements, and they're going to also ask for any other income you have, social security benefits, death benefits, child support, anything like this. But keep in mind, when you are telling the lender any of this information, it all has to be backed up by paper. The lender cannot do anything unless this is on paper and that you can prove you're getting this income. Debt. That's another thing. Make sure you tell your lender about any and all debt that you have, because in the long run, it may be a month down the line, your lender is going to find out, and it may be too late, and your deal may end up falling through. So you always want to be real open and honest with that lender, okay? Make sure they know what income you have, what debt you have, your credit score. If there's any issues, like your credit score might be great today, but you know that, hey, you got a collection that might be getting put on there in the next few weeks. Let them know that. It's always to be prepared in advance, okay? But so let me fast forward a little bit. Your lender, once they talk to you and they determine credit score is okay, income and debt is okay, they're going to give you a pre-qualification letter. They're going to let you know what you can purchase up to, what type of loan, and they're going to communicate with your real estate agent. And once you get that pre-qualification letter, we can start looking at homes. So that's the first step in the process. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope that information helped you out. And if you guys decide that you want to get pre-qualified or have some questions, give me a call, text me. My number is 910-978-2337. I get a lot of phone calls, so you're more than welcome to text me, and I'll set you up so that you can talk to my preferred lender or lenders. You are entitled to talk to a few of them. It only hits as one hard inquiry on your credit when you talk to, I believe it's up to 4 lenders in like a 6-month period. So talk to one, talk to another, weigh out what your best interest rates and such are, and I hope that helps you guys out. If you guys have any other questions, let me know, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great night.